In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a template in Notion. Notion is a powerful tool, widely celebrated for its versatility in organizing everything from your daily to-dos to comprehensive projects. Whether you're a seasoned user or a newcomer, learning how to import templates can streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Let's begin our journey by visiting the template that you'd like to import into Notion. You can find a plethora of templates available online, created both by Notion and its vast community of users. They cover virtually every use case imaginable, from personal projects to detailed business models. When you have found the perfect template, simply click on it to view more details about what it offers. This exploration phase is crucial as it helps you to determine if the template structure aligns with your needs. Once you're ready to proceed, the next step is to look for the Duplicate button on the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to making the template your own. By clicking Duplicate, you're essentially creating a copy of the template in your workspace, allowing you to fully customize it without affecting the original version. Now, some of you might wonder about the necessity of duplicating the template first. This act of duplication ensures that you always have the original format intact for reference, which is particularly helpful if you decide to tweak or overhaul your system in the future. Moreover, having a precise duplicate allows you to start experimenting and modifying the template immediately without fear of losing crucial elements of its initial design. Once you've clicked Duplicate, you'll see a progress notification that communicates that Notion is working on importing the template into your workspace. This process can vary in speed depending on the complexity of the template and your internet connection, but patience is certainly a virtue here because the result is worth the short wait. After the template has successfully been duplicated, you'll find it within your Notion workspace. If you're new to Notion, the workspace might resemble a blank slate, but with the imported template, you're now equipped with a robust structure from which to build. Take a moment to explore the template sections, keeping an eye out for how it's organized, including various pages and subpages, properties, views, and databases. Understanding these elements ensures that you can harness the power of this template to enhance your productivity. Finally, it's time to truly make the template your own. Begin customizing it to cater to your specific requirements. Modify page titles, change the aesthetics like visuals and fonts, adjust the database properties, or input your own data to replace placeholder text. These adjustments are what transform the template from a generic setup into a personalized powerhouse that elevates your everyday tasks or ongoing projects. And there you have it. This entire process not only helps you understand how to import a template into Notion but also empowers you to utilize it effectively. Happy organizing, and enjoy taking your productivity to new heights with Notion.